Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Good For You on electric guitar. First, make sure your instrument is tuned to standard EAD-GBE. You will need an electric guitar, an amplifier, and a pick. Set your amp to a clean or slightly overdriven tone, perhaps with a touch of reverb. This setup provides the perfect foundation for capturing the song's distinct sound. We will cover the main chords, the iconic riff, and some practice tips. The core of Good For You relies on 4 fundamental open chords: E minor, C major, G major, and D major. Focus on clean transitions between these shapes, ensuring each note rings out clearly. For the verses, try a steady down-down-up-up-down strumming pattern. This rhythm provides a solid, driving feel. Practice slowly at first, gradually increasing your speed as your fingers become more accustomed to the changes. Now let's tackle the memorable main riff. This part primarily uses notes across the G, B, and high E strings. Begin with your index finger on the 7th fret of the G string, then move to the 5th fret of the B string. Pay close attention to the rhythm and dynamics. The riff has a distinct, slightly syncopated feel, so practice it slowly and deliberately. Repetition is key to building muscle memory and achieving a smooth, confident delivery. To truly master Good For You, consistent practice is essential. Use a metronome to keep your timing precise, starting at a slow tempo and gradually building up speed. Pay attention to the song's dynamics. Some sections are softer, while others are more intense. Vary your strumming and picking attack to reflect these changes. Dedicate at least 15 minutes daily to practice, focusing on both chords and the main riff for best results.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.